Hello children, welcome back to our new video of English 1. Children, our new video is of poem 1 and your poem is My Little Hands. Okay children, your poem number 1 is My Little Hands. Now children, let's first read the poem. God gave me these hands so small to hug my daddy, big and tall. God gave me these hands so sweet for daddy to hold down the street. God gave me these little hands to wrap around my daddy's knee. One way to show my dad I care is to fold my hands and say a prayer. Oh God, please bless my dad because he is the best I could ever have as my dad. So children, this is the poem about a little child and his dad. In this poem, the child is telling about his hands, the uses of his hands, why God has given him. Why God has given him his hands and what he do with his hands. See, God gave me these hands so small to hug my daddy big and tall. The first use of his little hands are to hug his daddy. To hug his daddy means to hold his daddy, to wrap around his daddy with his little hands. His hands are very small and his daddy is big and tall. But then also he used to hug his daddy. God gave me these hands so sweet for daddy to hold down the street. Now next use is whenever he goes down in the streets with his daddy, what he does? He holds his daddy's hands. He used to hold his daddy's hands and then go on the road. Children, you also used to do the same now. Whenever you used to go with your mother or father or any elder, you used to hold their hands. Whenever you go on the road, you used to hold their hands. In the same way, this child also holds his dad's hands. Now next is, God gave me these little hands to wrap around my daddy's knee. Children, do you know the meaning of wrap? Wrap means to cover with paper or any cloth. To cover, suppose when we wrap a gift, when we give anyone some gift, what we used to do? We used to cover it fully. It's called wrap. So, to wrap around my daddy's knee. And knee, I think you all must be knowing. Knee is part of our leg, from where our leg bends. Okay, that part is called knee. So, God gave me these little hands to wrap around my daddy's knee. What the child does? With his little hands, the child used to wrap around his daddy's knee. The child used to cover his daddy's knee. One way to show my dad I care is to fold my hands and say a prayer. Now next, he also cares for his dad. And how he cares? What is it telling? That he used to say a prayer. And children, whenever we do a prayer, what we do? We used to fold our hands. Fold means we used to join our hands. While saying a prayer, we used to join our hands, right? In the same way, this child also is saying a prayer for his dad by joining his hands, by folding his hands. And what is his prayer? Oh God, please bless my dad because he is the best I could ever have as my dad. Now, what the child is praying? The child is praying to bless his dad. Who will bless? God will bless. He is praying to God that God, please bless my dad because why to bless? Because he is the best dad in the world. Okay? So children, for every child, his dad is the best na? In the same way, for this child also, his dad is the best, and for him, the child used to do prayer. Now once again I am going to read the poem. In the same way, you have to read it at your home. Okay? Now listen very carefully. God gave me these hands so small to hug my daddy big and tall. God gave me these hands so sweet for daddy to hold down the street. God gave me these little hands to wrap around my daddy's knee. One way to show my dad I care is to fold my hands and say a prayer. Oh God, please bless my dad because he is the best I could ever have as my dad. So children, you also repeat this poem again and again, and please learn this poem also. Now next I have given you some difficult words. You have to learn this with spelling. Okay? First one is HUG, hug. Next DADDY, daddy. Next one is STREET, street. After that wrap, WRAP, wrap. Next is around, AROUND, around. Next one is knee, KNEE. Next is prayer, PRAYER. Next is bless, BLESS. Next fold, FOLD, fold. And last one is ever, EVER, ever. Now your book work. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct words and complete the sentences. Children, this is fill in the blanks. You have to complete this sentence by filling correct word. See children, I have done. Please look it carefully and write in your book also. First one is the child has small hands to dash daddy. What we will write? The correct word is HUG, hug. Next one, the child has sweet hands that daddy can hold down the dash. We'll write street, STREET. Third one, the child can wrap his little hands around daddy's dash. We'll write knee, KNEE, knee. Next one is the child folds his dash to say a prayer for daddy. What he folds? Yes, hands, HANDS, hands. And the last one is the child feels that daddy is the right, best, BEST, best. So children, you also write in your book. Next is match the words that rhyme together. Rhyme together means that sounds similar. Okay, you have to match the words that sounds similar. First one is tall, Tall, tall. We'll match it with small, tall, small, tall, small. Okay, next one knee. Knee rhymes with me, me. Next one is care. Care rhymes with prayer, care, prayer. Last one is sweet. Sweet rhymes with street, sweet, street. And question number C, color the letters and paste your photograph in the card. Then give it to your daddy. What you have to do? See, one card is given. What is written? I love you, daddy. Children, you have to color this card, paste your photograph, and you have to give it to your daddy. Children, don't cut the book. Make another card. Make another card like this only. Paste your photographs and give it to your daddy. Okay? Now children, some homework. First one is read and learn the poem with correct pronunciation. For this you have to listen the video again and again. Okay? Next one, learn all difficult words with correct spelling. I have given you 10 difficult words. Please learn it with correct spellings. And next one, complete page number 23 all in book carefully. Whatever book work I have given you, see the video and do it in your book. Okay children? Thank you.